Hello everyone. Welcome to Perfect Spoken English Learning YouTube channel. Hello and welcome. I am very glad you are here. Today, we are going to learn about the most important thing you own. We are going to learn about your body. We will also learn how to talk about your health. This is very helpful when you go to a doctor or when you talk to a friend. Let us start with the parts of the body. We will go from the top to the bottom. First, we have the head. On your head, you have hair. Some people have long hair. Some people have short hair. Below your hair, you have your face. Your face has many parts. You have two eyes. You use your eyes to see the beautiful world. You have two ears. You use your ears to hear music and voices. You have one nose. You use your nose to smell flowers and food. And you have one mouth. You use your mouth to eat and to speak English. Below your head is your neck. Your neck connects your head to your body. Then, we have your shoulders. You have two shoulders. Moving down, we find your arms. At the end of your arms, you have your hands. Your hands are very busy. They help you pick up things. On each hand, you have 5 fingers. Let us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 10 fingers in total. Now, let us look at the middle of your body. You have your chest and your stomach. Inside your chest is your heart. Your heart goes thump, thump. It pumps blood to your whole body. Below your stomach, we have your legs. Your legs are long and strong. They help you walk and run. At the end of your legs, you have your feet. And just like your hands, your feet have toes. 10 toes to help you balance. It is very important to know these names. Why? Because sometimes we do not feel well. When we feel sick, we need to say where it hurts. In English, we use the word ache to talk about pain. For example, if your head hurts, you say, I have a headache. If your stomach hurts, you say, I have a stomachache. If your ear hurts, you say, I have a stomachache. If your ear hurts, you say, I have an earache. Let us practice these words slowly. Headache, stomachache, earache, toothache. Sometimes, you might have a different kind of pain. You might have a sore throat. This is when your neck feels scratchy inside. Or you might have a cold. When you have a cold, you sneeze. You might say, I have a cold and I need a tissue. If your body feels very hot, you say, I have a fever. This means you should go to bed and rest. Imagine you are at the doctor's office. The doctor is a kind person. The doctor will ask you, what is the matter, or how do you feel? You can answer simply. You can say, I feel sick. Or, my back hurts. The doctor might ask, where does it hurt? Then you can point to your body and say the name. For example, it hurts here, on my arm. Knowing these simple words helps the doctor help you. Now, Let us talk about how to stay healthy. We want our bodies to be strong. To be healthy, you must do 3 simple things. First, you must eat good food. Eat many vegetables and fruits. They have vitamins. Vitamins are like fuel for your body. Second, you must drink a lot of water. Your body loves water. It keeps you fresh. Third, you must sleep. Your body needs 8 hours of sleep every night. When you sleep, your body fixes itself. Let us practice some healthy sentences. I eat an apple every day. I drink 8 glasses of water. I sleep for 8 hours. I go for a walk in the park. Exercise is also very good. You do not need to run a marathon. You can just walk. You can dance in your room. Moving your body makes your heart happy. It makes your muscles strong. When your body is strong, you feel happy in your mind too. Sometimes, we get hurt by accident. Maybe you fall down. You might get a cut or a bruise. A cut is when your skin opens a little. You put a bandage on it. A bruise is when your skin turns blue or purple. It feels a bit sore, but it goes away soon. Do not worry. Your body is amazing at fixing itself. I want you to be proud of your body. It does so much for you. It carries you through the world. It lets you taste delicious food. It lets you hug your friends. Take care of your body, and it will take care of you. Let us review the most important words from today. Body, health, doctor, medicine, exercise, sleep. Did you notice how clear these words are? When you speak about health, it is very important to be clear. You want people to understand you perfectly, especially if you need help. Practice saying these body parts while you are in the shower. Point to your arm and say arm. Point to your knee and say knee. This is a great way to learn. Thank you for joining me for this 10-minute lesson. You are a very dedicated student. Learning about the body is a big step. It helps you take care of yourself and others. I hope you feel healthy today. I hope you feel strong. Remember to move your body every day. Remember to eat your vegetables. And remember to keep practicing your English slowly and clearly. You are doing a wonderful job. I am very proud of your progress. I will see you in the next lesson. We will learn more words to make your life easier and better. Have a very healthy and happy day. Goodbye for now.
Make sure you hit that subscribe button right down there and give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching!